Hey, welcome back to the Gliding on Tools YouTube channel. I'm your host, Nori, and as if you saw from the intro of the video and the title, what I have here is an Advanblack Pro Fuzion headlight. This is Advanblack's newest headlight that they just came out with a couple weeks ago, and then we're gonna go over some of the details and the installation. All right. So as you could all see. All right, this is their new Pro Fuzion 5000K white color temp headlight. It has a halo outer rim white light. The middle piece, of course, is the projection headlight, and it also has LEDs around the projection as well. Okay, as you can see, plug and play. And it does come with an extension so that you can plug into your accessories so that way you can turn on the halo and the little LED lights that go around the projection headlight. So we get ready to go ahead and do the installation. Let me move the camera so you can see how to install this. All right, to get started uninstalling the headlight that you have on, all right, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the trim ring. All right, and then that screw is right below here, right below the headlight center mass. All right, and then what you're gonna do is just remove that. All right, just like so, and the trim ring just comes straight out. Keep in mind that this is a pre-Rushmore motorcycle, so meaning pre-2014. This is a 2013 Street Glide. Put that off to the side. Now you have a couple screws on each side. You're gonna have Phillips and you're gonna actually have Torx. The Torx are to move the headlight up, down, side, and side to side. All right, so make sure you don't finagle with those. Just removing the actual headlight itself with the Phillips head screwdriver. All right, we're gonna go ahead and remove those. They have one up top, one on the side, and then one on this actual side. So there's gonna be a total of 3. All right. All right, once you have the headlight removed, be sure that you also remove the actual bracket from the headlight because you're going to be reusing this. Okay, and then just go ahead and unplug your headlight so that way we can start plugging up the new headlight. All right, once you remove the old headlight, you're ready to install your new headlight. And like I said, this Advanblack product is plug and play. Make sure you order for your particular year model. 2014 and up requires an adapter, whereas 2013 below does not. Okay, so you got your main harness here. Just plug and play directly into your main light harness. All right, just like so. And your red lead that comes off the Advanblack product wires goes into your, depending on what color you have, mine is 13, like I keep saying, it's red and white. That comes off your main harness here. You plug it directly straight in there. All right. And then now you're ready to test your headlight before you continue with the installation. As you can see, all right, the outer ring is on, the inner smaller LEDs are on, and so is your main headlight. All right, everything's plugged in, and now you're ready to go ahead and start the install process to complete your installation here. All right, tuck the wires back in. All right, now on the back of this has notches. All right, 3 notches. You got to kind of align those notches with the headlight notches, so that way it'll stick right in there. Now, the Advanblack headlight, you'll see that it says dot SAE on the top, so that's the top of the headlight, all right? Once you align those, just like so. And now your headlight is on. All right, now you're gonna get your ring and put it around your headlight. And ensure that you're matching the actual screw portions, right? It only goes on one way. And just like that, you have yourself a brand new, brighter headlight for your motorcycle. I want to give a huge thank you to Alan and the Advanblack team for sending me out this headlight so I could review and do an install on it. And as you can see, it's very bright. It's one of a kind. And I mean, I can't say enough about it so far. I will do an update video further down the line just to let you all know how's it going. I'm going to put the link to this product in my video description down below, so you can head on over to advanblack.com, and if you like it, go get yourself one. All right, and that's all I have for this install and this review. And until we see each other next time, enjoy your ride.